Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious, easy tomato soup. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, 1 medium onion, and about 1/4 cup of good olive oil. Don't forget 4 cups of vegetable broth, which will form the base of our flavorful soup. This method is perfect for a quick and satisfying meal. Now, let's build our flavor base. Dice your medium onion into small, even pieces. Heat 1/4 cup of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering, add your diced onion. Sauté the onion gently for about 5 to 7 minutes until it becomes soft and translucent, but not browned. This step is crucial for a sweet, aromatic foundation. Next, it's time to combine our main ingredients. Pour in the 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes and the 4 cups of vegetable broth. Stir everything together well. Bring the soup to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat and let it cook for about 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. Finally, use an immersion blender to achieve your desired smooth consistency. Be careful, it's hot. Almost done, now for the finishing touches. Taste your soup and season it generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. For an extra creamy texture, stir in about 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Serve your delicious homemade tomato soup hot, perhaps with a grilled cheese sandwich. It's truly a comforting meal. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.